okay. Wow. I will show it in the Philippines how to do it. Oops. Seasoning?
Yeah.
You want? How many minutes that one, brother?
5 minutes.
5 minutes?
Inside, 2 and 3 minutes.
Then outside, then going to the mouth, only 1 minute. Kalas.
Yeah.
Oops. Mm. Like pillows, ah?
Just a minute. I will make it come up. Just one more. Make it one more and come up and just a bit.
Wow. Mm. Very hot. Good job, brother. Like pillow, no? That one?
Then that one is plain bread. Only
Plain?
roti, yeah.
Ah, okay.
ठीक है ठीक है सर
Roti? What is that? This one?
yeah no then last one
Ah, this
Ah, this
one?
one?
yeah
Only 1 dirham. So, what? Brother, plain? That one? Okay. Pila may ato ito ko? Basta? Ah, brother, that one na? 2. Ah, okay.
okay
Wow. Ah, okay. Oh, nice.
Very hot?
Yeah.
yeah inside too much hot
Yeah. Mura magtabay. That one like pillow.
yeah.
It's very hot, brother. So.